Hello, everybody. Today is Monday, April 20th, and this is our second week of virtual learning. So this is the document that has all of the directions and links for your assignments this week. So I'm just going to quickly show you what you will be working on for your second week. Just as a reminder, all these assignments aren't due until Sunday night at 9 p.m. All right, so we will be continuing to read Walk to a Moon. So this week you will read chapters 24 to 27. And I have links here to the PDF of the novel and to the audiobook. So here's where you're going to find access to them. I also put them right into the assignment link. So here are your chapter questions that you're going to work on. I'll just show you guys. I also attached the links in the assignment in Google Classroom. So you can access the book here and the audiobook here as well. All right, so when you're done reading the chapter questions, you are going to answer questions in this document and then turn it in when you are finished, just like we did last week. All right, your second big assignment for this week, you're going to be working through vocab slides. So it's been a little while since we've done our vocabulary slides because we took a break from them to do Walk to Moon's vocab, but I decided we're coming back to them. So you're going to be working through vocabulary set 6.11 slides. So in here, I have the assignment link. So if you just click on your right class, it'll take you into the assignment for the vocab slides. And also in here is a YouTube video of me teaching you the first 12 words. So just like I do in class, we go through the 12 words together and then you guys finish the rest on your own. We're going to keep it the same. So I make sure you watch this video as you work through the first 12 slides for the words and do your sentences. Okay, so those are your two big assignments. So we're reading chapters of the book, answering questions, and then you're working on your vocab slides, finishing those up by Sunday night and turning them in. Next week, you will have your vocabulary quiz. All right, and then we also have our extra practice opportunities. I just want to mention that these are really just extra. If you're flying through the material I have up here for the book and vocab, then you should spend extra time on these. But if you're spending a good amount of time on reading and your vocab, I'm okay if you skip the extra practice. Also, if you have a lot of work in your other classes, just really worry about getting your chapters read, questions answered, and finishing those vocab slides. Okay, so just want to quickly show you guys, I have a sample schedule down here. If you want to take it day by day, I kind of broke it up in small chunks. That should take about 30 minutes. All right, and I linked everything for you guys. All right, so this is in Google Classroom at the top of the stream. Please reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great week.